What I want to talk to you about today is, in my opinion, one of the most powerful things in the universe. It's one of those things that I've known about for years, but truly didn't understand the importance of or the impact of. It is something that if you learn about and put into practice, you will literally have brighter mornings, more productive weeks, and an overall better life. So what am I talking about exactly? I'm talking about the power of your mind, the power of your thoughts, the power of your beliefs, and the power of the emotions and the things that you feel on the inside. Now, I know that you have heard me say 1,000,001 times, you have to think positive, you have to be positive, whatever you put out in the universe, you're gonna attract that back to you, and all of that holds true. Here's the deal. If you think you can't, you won't. If you think you can, you will. But what I really didn't understand is how powerful your thinking is. It wasn't until I really started to do a lot of research and really started to understand the science behind your brain and your mind and your thoughts that I really started to realize how powerful it is and how it's the mindset and the thoughts and the beliefs that you have about yourself that will push you forward or stop you in your tracks. So I had to come in and just shoot this video because around this time, our lovelies and then obviously other people that are auditioning for teams, they may hear a no. And that no could prevent them from moving forward. That no could prevent them from crossing the finish line. That no could prevent them from ever hearing yes. And what I always tell my lovelies is that no does not mean never. No only means not right now. But if you stop before you hear your yes, then guess what? You're never gonna hear that yes. So you have to keep going, you have to keep pushing. And the way that you do that is all in here. It's about your mindset, it's about your beliefs, it's about what you tell yourself day in and day out. And if you are living on some past experiences, or if you are hung up on something negative that someone told you years ago and you have turned that into your own belief, or if you are telling yourself negative things, you have to say, no way, stop. You have to change those negative thoughts in their track, literally stop them in their tracks and change them into positive thoughts. Change them into uplifting thoughts. Change them into inspiring thoughts so that those thoughts become beliefs and those beliefs become emotions and you feel it. It's not enough to just say it. It's not enough to just think it. You have to feel it. You have to believe it. You have to know it in your heart of hearts. If you think you're not a pro cheerleader, you won't be. If you think you can't nail that double, you won't. If you think you can't get that job, if you think that you are not capable, if you think that you are not a winner, if you think that you're not beautiful, amazing, brilliant, you're not. But the wonderful thing about it is, if you think you are, then you will be. And so why not? We think all the time, right? Have you ever tried to not think? I know I have. So if we're thinking all of the time, why not think positively? Why not tell ourselves what either we know we are or what we know we want to be? Because the mind doesn't know the difference. So you need to constantly be telling yourself positive things, uplifting things, encouraging things. There's tons of scientific studies out there that prove that your mind controls everything. It doesn't just control your thoughts. It doesn't just control your body and your limbs and how you move around. It doesn't just control the words that come out of your mouth. It controls your health. It controls your emotions. It controls your stress level. There are studies out there that show that, for example, sick patients are told they are being given medicine that will make them well, make them better, make them feel healthier. But it's a placebo pill. It has nothing in it. They take the medicine, and I know that you know the results. They get better because their mind tells them they're getting better because of that pill. They think it, they believe it, and then it shows physically in their health. So if your mind can control your health and how you feel, imagine what it can do for yourself day in and day out. When you wake up in the morning, No one wants to get out of bed. That's normal. I never want to get out of bed. I want to stay in bed, right? Unless I'm leaving for like a trip or something super exciting, right? But most of the time I don't want to get out of bed, and you probably don't either. But instead I smile and I am grateful and thankful for that day. And I repeat what I'm grateful for, and then I give myself some positive kudos and affirmations. I am amazing. I am wonderful. I am brilliant. I am productive. And that's what you have to do for yourself too. You are who you think you are. If you're a winner, you are a winner. And even if you don't believe it right now, fake it till you make it. You know what it feels like to be a winner. You know what it feels like to be accomplished. You know what it feels like to be successful. You know those feelings already. So feel those feelings. Don't harbor on the negativity in the past. There's nothing we can do about that. It's gone, it's over, it's done. So why not instead really hold on to the positive side of who you are and who you want to become? Because it will forever change your life. This has literally been a game changer for me. I've always, for the most part, been a positive person. If you talk to any of my friends, if you talk to my family, I'm the one that always tries to find the positive out of every negative situation. But it wasn't until I truly understood how powerful your mind is and how it works, and that the feelings that I sometimes would feel that were negative was normal. It's just my brain trying to protect me, or it was this programming that occurred over years and years and years, and that all I had to do was reprogram my mind. It wasn't until I learned these things that I truly started to feel differently and live better, happier, more productive days. And so I just feel like it's my obligation to share this with you because I love you guys. I love you all so much. And if this has helped me the way that it's helped me just in the past couple of months, then I want to pass that on to you, and I want to help you too. You are who you think you are. But if you stop short of that finish line, that no will be never. You will never hear your yes. Because remember, a no is just getting you one step closer to that yes. So learn about your mind, reprogram your mind, and start telling yourself that you are amazing, you are wonderful, you are brilliant, you are beautiful, you are handsome, you are creative, you are powerful, you are confident. I believe it, I know it, and now it's your time to know it, believe it, and feel it too. All right, that's all I have for you guys. If you have any suggestions on how our community can really start to just think more positively and feel more positively, if there are any techniques or tools that you want to suggest, please jot them below. I'm going to have more videos on this topic coming soon because I really do feel like it is so important, and I want to share what I have learned with you so that you can make your days brighter and better too. All right, well, as you know, you can always connect with us on social media, our website, and then you can email us at info@sidelineprep.com. Good luck to all of you all auditioning. We are obviously here for you every single step of the way. I am Janine Samuels, wishing you success, love, happiness, joy, and abundance in all that you do. Make it a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.